Hello, I'm Junaid Tibshirani with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, interest rates have been kept on hold in the States. The Federal Open Market Committee has just announced it will keep its key lending rate in a range of 0.25% to 0.5%. It says it remains accommodative, supporting further improvement in labour market conditions and a return to 2% inflation. It expects economic activity to expand at a moderate pace and inflation to remain low in the near term, partly due to low energy prices. While it says it's keeping a close eye on global economic and financial developments, it makes no mention of the impact of slowing growth in China. In other news, recovering oil prices have helped global stock markets cut losses caused by disappointing forecasts from Apple and Boeing. The price of US crude oil has surged above $32 a barrel, while oil futures have jumped 5% overnight. The shift follows talk of Russia and OPEC working together in the face of the global oil glut. Up until now, Russia has been unwilling to cut oil output as it battles for market share with OPEC kingpin Saudi Arabia. The rise in futures also comes as US data shows a surprise spike in demand for products such as heating oil as the country's hit by a blizzard. Staying in the US, new home sales surged to a 10-month high in December. In fact, the number of new houses sold over the year soared nearly 15% from the previous year, reaching its highest level since 2007. The US housing market is clearly being supported by tightening labour market conditions. A Mortgage Bankers Association report out overnight shows applications for home loans increased 8.8% last week, as mortgage rates remain low by historical standards. In New York, the benchmark US Treasury 10-year yield has inched up to 2.03%. The price of US crude oil has crept above $32 a barrel, while the Brent benchmark is up over $1 to just above $33 a barrel. The gold price is down marginally to $1,116 an ounce. Initial reactions to the Fed's decision has left the New Zealand dollar at 65.1 US cents, 92.4 Australian cents and 59.6 euro cents. The TWI is up to 70.8. All eyes are now on the Reserve Bank of New Zealand as it reviews the official cash rate this morning. I'm Junaid Tibshirani, and that was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.